Just making a short clip here on how to mount an idea. It's not necessarily how to, but an idea, an easy solution. If you want to mount one of these lights to your car, I think they call it a bar light or something. That was handed down to me from a friend of mine. Now all you have to do, real simple, is make yourself up a plate that you can go behind the number plate, or that one's going to go behind that way, like so. Paint it the same colour as the bumper, and I'll get this off and I'll put the other one on and I'll continue the clip. So now I've got it that far. 3 screws on either side into the bumper bar. Screws are pretty strong on their own, right? That's very solid. If I wanted to go to the extreme, I could drill right through. There is metal bumper behind that, or metal plating behind that bumper, that I could get a drill bit, drill right through, put a longer screw in. That's overkill. That's plenty strong enough for this little light. That's not going to... And plus the car has a curve on it, which gives it that extra strength. And just for good measure, so it blends in, just going to give a bit of bumper paint on the screws. Let that dry a little bit. Go again. And yeah, I'll continue to the next step of putting that beam light on. Okay, and there you have it. That's a real simple solution to mounting a beam light. Like this car, I found it difficult to find a spot to put it. I didn't want to cut any of the bumper away to make it fit underneath there, which I could have done if I wanted to, and make it more part into the car, but I didn't want to do that. And you can see that all looks nice there, and it's not in tight yet, but the mounts are in tight. I've left the Allen ratchet or Allen key loose for now, but that's because I can easily reach it. So now I'm going to line up the bar to where I think it looks more square in the car, more center, and then the plate goes back on after that, and you'll get an idea of how that's going to look. Just let me hold that there. Okay, so the plate that I'm adding to it is nicely tucked away behind the plate, behind the number plate, so it's not so obvious. Plays the part, looks nice with the car. And if I ever want to move this light now to another car, all I have to do is remove the wiring, undo them 6 screws, transfer the whole plate to another car, behind another number plate, off I go again. Easiest mount to do, quick. This has probably taken me about 20 minutes. The longest process has been making that mount. And I didn't even, that's not even square, but you wouldn't have noticed until I said something. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I'm like, this is real simple, easy solution. If you want more stability, you can cable tie the bottom of it if you want, but that's I'll actually I'll just tie this up for a second just so you can see how stable it is. The screws are pretty strong on their own. If I wanted to get real heavy duty about it, I could put longer screws through into the metal. I could put silicone behind that plate, make it so it can't be ever removed again, and so forth. That's plenty strong enough. That's not going nowhere. Alright, that's it. Till next time. Cheers.